having your watch. That's a lovely watch.
Thank you.
What time is this one?
VACHERON overseas.
Oh, I'll see what it is.
Thank you. You're a watch lover, are you?
Yes, I've got a few watches. I was started by a little watch shop myself. So. Get a bit more content. What made you choose this one?
The heritage of the brand. Yeah, the heritage of the brand. The VACHERON are the longest producing watchmaker of all the brands of non-production. I can't remember the years, but yeah, for me it was more because it's a subtle brand as well. Yes. You know, people wear Rolexes, fine, but some people buy watches and things for outward show. I bought because I like the history of the company.
Yeah, very nice watch, very nice price.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.